How to make your hair grow faster. Number 1. Avoid shampooing every day. Unless your hair is really oily, shampooing your hair daily can dry out and damage your hair. Washing your hair every other day allows your body's natural oils to condition your hair. You may also consider using a scalp treatment to help keep your hair follicles clean. This may also help to keep your hair healthy. Number 2. Use conditioner. When you do shampoo your hair, be sure to condition it. Hair conditioner helps to replenish the oils that have been stripped from your hair during shampooing. Make sure that you completely wash the shampoo out of your hair before conditioning. Number 3. Rinse your hair with cold water. After you rinse the shampoo and conditioner out of your hair, briefly rinse out your clean hair under cold water. Cold water ensures that the hair follicle is tight. This reduces the amount of hair that is lost after a shower. Number 4. Minimize heat and color. Using heat or hair color on your hair damages the hair over time. Try to reduce the amount of heat that you use on your hair by letting your hair air dry when possible. Use sponge or Velcro rollers instead of hot rollers. Stretch out the amount of time between coloring and use color-safe shampoo to minimize hair dyeing damage. Number 5. Brush your hair carefully. Use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle your hair. Work the comb through the ends of your hair and move your way up to the scalp. Tugging too hard on the hair to brush out tangles will result in hair loss. Number 6. Wear a ponytail correctly. Pulling your hair too tight into a ponytail on top of your head can result in breakage. Instead, wear your hair down or in a loose ponytail. Avoid using rubber hairbands. Change up the position of your ponytail so that your hair doesn't get too brittle in one area. Number 7. Massage your scalp. Performing a daily scalp massage on yourself may help to stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles and promote hair growth. Include a daily scalp massage in your hair care routine. Number 8. Get your hair trimmed. It might sound counterintuitive, but getting your hair trimmed will help your hair from breaking off, and this will result in your hair growing faster. With time, the strands of hair will begin to split at the ends. These split ends tangle and are more likely to be pulled out when brushed. Keeping your hair trimmed will minimize split ends. Number 9. Use a silk pillowcase. Your hair can catch on the threads of a cotton pillowcase. A silk pillowcase reduces this friction, thus reducing breakage. Wrapping your head in a silk scarf could be used as an alternative to a silk pillowcase. Number 10. Avoid wrapping your hair in a towel. Wrapping your hair in a towel on top of your head after a shower can also cause breakage. Instead, gently squeeze or blot excess water out of your hair. You may also consider using a microfiber towel to wrap your hair, since these are gentler than regular cotton towels. Number 11. Include protein in your daily diet. Your hair and nails are primarily made up of a protein called keratin. Hair growth has 3 phases. Anagen, when hair is growing, catagen, when growth starts to shut down, and telogen, when growth stops and/or the hair falls out. Hair that is lacking protein goes into resting stage faster than hair rich in protein. Chicken, eggs, and Greek yogurt are great sources of protein. Your protein needs can vary based on your weight and lifestyle. Most people need between 45 to 55 grams of protein per day. Number 12. Increase your iron and zinc intake. Minerals like iron and zinc are crucial to the production of proteins that make up the hair on your body. Low iron is known to cause hair loss. You can get iron and zinc naturally in foods like spinach, beans, and seafood. The amount of iron and zinc you need to intake daily depends on your age, sex, and lifestyle. Talk to your doctor before making any changes to your daily mineral intake. Number 13. Eat vitamin-rich foods. Vitamin D is thought to be crucial to hair growth. Vitamin C is also important for iron absorption. Vitamin C is common in citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruit, and limes. You can get vitamin D from the sun and food sources like fortified milk and fortified orange juice. Talk to your doctor before making any changes to your daily vitamin intake. Number 14. Increase your intake of biotin and other B vitamins. Biotin and other B vitamins can help to promote healthy hair, so make sure to include these in your diet. You can ensure that you are getting enough of these vitamins by taking a daily multivitamin. You can also eat foods that are rich in these vitamins. Eggs, cheese, mushrooms, almonds, and cauliflower are all good sources of biotin. B vitamins are present in fish, meat, eggs, dairy, leafy greens, peas, and beans. Also, look for foods that have been enriched with B vitamins, such as cereals and breads. Number 15. Focus on good fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are needed for hair growth. They also keep your hair looking shiny and healthy. Your body does not produce this fat naturally. You can get omega-3 fatty acids from fish. The American Heart Association recommends that an adult eats 2 servings of fish each week to get the appropriate amount of omega-3 fatty acids. You can also get omega-3 fatty acids from flaxseed oil. 1 teaspoon a day is all you need.